Hi, good morning. This is Mark and today tuturo ko sa iyo kung paano ang gagawin mo if ever na hindi mo na ma-access yung account mo. If ever na nakalimutan mo yung password ng SWA account mo. Okay, so first step, go to our website swaultimate.com. Click mo tong member login. Then click forgot password. Okay. Okay, so after mo makiklik yung forgot password, mapupunta ka sa page na to. So, type mo lang yung username, then email address, yan, and then, oops, request na yung CAPTCHA, yan. Pag hindi mo nababasa yung CAPTCHA dito, i-click lang itong refresh para mag-request ka ng bagong set of CAPTCHA. Okay? So, let's type it. Yan. Then pagkatapos nyan, click mo lang yung email password. By the way, yung email address na nilagay mo dito sa email address, dapat yun yung ginamit mo nung nag-register ka. Okay? So, let's check. Yan, pupunta na ako dito sa website or sa email address ko sa Gmail and let me check kung naisa na ng SWA yung aking temporary password. Refresh. No. Okay, there. So, let me check first. Okay, so dalawang beses na ako nag-request ng temporary password kanina kasi I tried it. Sinubukan ko muna bago ko gawin tong video na to. Okay? So, ganito yung itsura ng email na matatanggap ko. Supreme Alliance. Tapos ito. Your SWA Ultimate Password. Dear, your username. Click mo lang yan. Then, so I'll copy this, go back to SWA website, and then let's log in, username, password. So ginawa ko, highlight ko lang yan, then copy, then paste it in a password box, and then click sign in. Okay, so let's wait kasi sobrang bagal ng internet connection ko. Okay, there you go. So, gagawin natin ngayon, papalitan natin yung temporary password. Okay? So, makikita mo dito yung pangalan mo. Click mo lang yan, yung arrow. Then, security settings. Okay. Again, your name, then click itong security settings hanggang sa makita mo yung page na to. So, yung old password, since na-copy natin kanina, gagawin mo lang right-click and then paste. Then, new password. So, type mo na ngayon yung new password mo. Confirm new password. And then, change password. Okay, so, malalaman mo kung okay na kasi makikita mo to. Password successfully updated. Alright, so, that's it. Yan yung step-by-step process kung paano mag-request ng password, kung nakalimutan niyo yung password mo, and then kung paano i-change yung password. Alright? So, thank you for watching this video and I hope may natutunan ka and I hope na i-apply mo yung natutunan mo.